Let's try this other half now. Potassium chloride. Potassium's a metal from family 1. That means it's a K. The plus 1. Chloride is a nonmetal from family 7. Minus 1. Drop and swap. Don't need to. KCl. They're the same number, and we're done. All right, lithium oxide, same process. Minus 1 plus 2. So Li2O. Sodium phosphide. All these end in ides, so they're all pretty much the same since they start with a metal. NaP plus 1 minus 3 Na3P. Strontium sulfide, we're still there. Sr, that's a plus 2. Sulfide minus 2, so I just put my SRS, and I'm done. Carbonic acid, so this is an acid, so that means it starts with an H. Carbonic comes from carbonate, which is CO3 minus 2 plus 1, drop and swap, H2CO3. Aluminum nitride, still metal in IDE, so it's Al and N plus 3, plus 3 minus 3, so they're just ones. Copper 2 oxide, so the 2 tells me the charge of copper is a plus 2, oxygen's a minus 2, so it is CuO. Antimony 3 bromide plus 3 minus 1. Antimony is SbBr, and I need 3 bromines to offset the plus 3 on the antimony. Chromium 2 arsenide, all right, that's a 2, and this is As, not Ar, so I have As. Oh, I should have that memorized. That's a minus 2, so it's just CRAS. Kind of crass. All right, lead 2 borate, so Pb, that means this is a plus 2. Borate, I didn't teach you, but it's a minus 2. No, pretty sure it's a minus 1. Borate is BO3. So we're going to say PB, BO3, 2. I could be wrong there, but don't stress too much. Nitrogen tribromide, those are super nice. 1 nitrogen and 3 Brs. I follow these rules if the first one's a nonmetal and it's not ammonium. All right, gold 3 oxalate. Gold is Au, a plus 3. Oxalate is C2O4, if I remember off the top of my head. And it is a minus 2. I could be wrong on that also. So Au2C2043. Ammonium acetate. Ammonium is always NH4. Acetate C2H3O2 plus 1 minus 1, so we're done. Aluminum chloride, finally another ide, metal ide. So it's just AlCl plus 3 minus 1, AlCl3. Phosphoric acid, this would be just like carbonic acid. Starts with an H. If it's an acid, it's an ic, comes from an 8. 8 for phosphate, that's a minus 3. It's a plus 1, H3PO4. Getting close here. Whew. Silver chloride, nice. It's a metal and an I. AgCl plus 1 minus 1. It's just AgCl. Iron 2 nitride, so a 2 nitride means nitrogen. A 3, so Fe3N2. Iron 3 carbonate, plus 3 minus 2, Fe2CO33. Cobalt 3 fluoride. Oh, I messed up on this cobalt one earlier, I just remember. Oh well, cobalt is a plus 3 because of this. Fluoride's a minus 1. COF3. Dichlorine heptoxide, that means 2 Cls. Hep means 6, O6. Aluminum phosphate, all right, I'm going to do that one right here. Aluminum phosphate, Al, It's an ATE, so it's polyatomic ion. Minus 3 plus 3 AlPO4. And you're done. Sodium acetate. So I have a plus 1, acetate's a minus 1, NaC2H3O2. Calcium carbonate, Ca, CO3 plus 2 minus 2, done. Magnesium sulfate, metal, and an ATE. That means we have Mg, sulfate is SO4, plus 2 from family 2, minus 2 because it is, done. Aluminum phosphate, I swear we already did this one, maybe it was a phosphide. We have, oh, that's because I'm blind. You probably already realized it, but this was ammonium right here. I apologize. This is really small on my screen. So let's come down here. This is the answer to that one. AlPO4. And I apologize. Ammonium phosphate would be NH4. It's plus 1. Phosphate is PO4 minus 3. NH4 3 PO4. And we are done. Sorry about the screw ups.